Welcome to Green Grooming Co.'s inaugural beard grooming vlog. Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes into my bathroom to show you how to do we'll call it a villain mustache. So you start off comb and wax, rub that wax around on your hand or in between your fingers. Then you just start putting it on the mustache, all right? Clearly I did not grab enough wax. There we go, a little bit more wax. I'm not gonna smush it up as much this time. Apparently, we're just gonna glob it on. There we go. Underway. It's going to be hard to get all of those chunks out. Didn't do a very good job there. All right, I missed a spot there. Anyways, you just kind of straighten out the mustache. Make sure you have enough wax to hold it all together. I think once I get all these chunks out, gonna be pretty much done. Yeah, looks good. Now let's add some beard balm to clean up the beard a little bit and put a little shine to the mustache if I ever get done messing with my face here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, beard balm. Same process. You put it on your hand like so, loosen it up, and then apply it to the beard. The goal is to kind of get my ungroomed mass of hair stuck together. Add a little shine to it and the mustache. All right, I think we're pretty much done. We will be releasing our first line of green beard grooming combs on Kickstarter in the next 2 weeks. Here's a quick peek at what the final products will look like. We will be planting 1 tree for every pack of combs sold and 2 trees for every folding comb we sell. Please let me know what you thought of this video. If you like it, I'll be doing 1 a week. And if you don't like it, I guess we'll try something else.